Here is some kindling, Dad.
I will start a fire.
Who wants hot dogs for dinner?
Me!
Stay back, kids. The fire is hot.
The sunset is so colorful.
Hold the stick over the fire carefully.
My hot dog is cooking fast. It is too hot to eat yet.
This tastes amazing outdoors.
Don't forget to drink water.
It is getting colder now.
Here is a warm blanket, Mike.
We need more light.
Oh no! You burned it!
I like it crispy.
Look at this perfect color.
The chocolate is melting. We have messy faces. It is very dark now.
Look at all the stars.
You cannot see this many stars in the city.
That group of stars looks like a spoon.
I am getting sleepy.
We must put out the fire before bed.
Good night. Bye. What did you learn in this story? Tell us in the comments.